and why Hyderabad and why Telangana. Thank you very much. As always, you have been a great guide, a great friend. Thank you very much. And our friends from the Indo-German Chamber of Commerce. Thank you, sir, and the entire team for organizing this event. My principal secretary, Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu, who's always spearheading, who's always been a very positive guide to many investors who continue to come and invest in Hyderabad, invest in Telangana. Thank you, Jayesh, for all your efforts. Let me start off by saying a couple of things. I think my colleague Jayesh Ranjanji was absolutely right on the money when he said there's not one India, but there's 28 Indias, which is a fact. Because a lot of times, many times in fact, investors who are not from India, investors who are from overseas, could be Europe, it could be Americas, or it could be any other part of the world. When they start looking at India as an investment option,